Meanwhile, the NIA has taken over 3 cases linked to the ongoing violence in Manipur that resulted in casualties and public disorder in the state. So that's the latest coming in right now, that the NIA has taken over the violent cases. Let's go straight across now to Arunima. Arunima, Manipur is seeing a complete breakdown of law and order, Jiribam being the epicenter of the recent violence in Manipur. I mean, Jiribam's fire has literally singed the state. Someone will have to be held accountable. What exactly are you hearing from the Home Ministry and the latest about these cases being taken over by the NIA?
So last week, these cases were handed over by the Ministry of Home Affairs to the National Investigation Agency. In a press statement, MHA did confirm on the 16th of November that a few important cases were being given to NIA, and subsequently NIA has re-registered the FIRs, taking them over from the Manipur police. These 3 FIRs, the first one deals with alleged Hamar militants targeting the police thana, which was protected by CRPF, and subsequently these 10 Hamar militants getting gunned down by CRPF. Of course, the Hamar side has claimed that these were village volunteers killed in cold blood. So NIA is investigating this case. Second, subsequent to this action, at least 6 Meiteis were found missing, women and children included. So the case of abduction of 10 people from the camp, that's the case of abduction that NIA is probing. And now we know that at least 6 bodies have been recovered, including that of women and infants. That has led to a lot of violence and tension in Imphal, because these were Meitei infants who were killed in cold blood. Their bodies found in gunny bags, floating in rivers. Some of the bodies are getting tracked all the way down to rivers flowing in Assam. So NIA has been asked to probe all of these 3 cases. One of the few confidence-building measures that Home Ministry is hoping will calm down tempers in Manipur. Additional forces are also being sent there. Deployment in every nook and corner. If you give me 30 seconds, Jiribam was one area which was not part of the cycle of violence so far. But with Jiribam also now being sucked into the continuous, encounter that we are seeing in Manipur, violence continuing unabated, the things in Manipur are quite worrisome for centre here.
Oh, absolutely. In fact, that's why perhaps Conrad Sangma of the NPP has also had enough of the situation and has decided to withdraw support to the NDA government in Manipur. Arunima, thank you so much for joining us. Tensions clearly escalating in the state of Manipur. We have to cut straight across now to Maharashtra.